First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we've seen our share of a lot of water, a lot of wind, a lot of cold, and, well, some snow. We haven't had a lot of snow, but we've had a lot of snow events, one right after the other, and that pattern is not going to change as we go through the weekend and even into the beginning of next week. We're seeing even a few flurries this morning on First Alert. Live Doppler radar down toward the Nashville area. We've had reports of light snow flurries down around Lake Cumberland and Green River Lake this morning. A lot of those now moving out of the way, and skies are actually clearing from west to east, and that's allowing the temperatures to fall down into the single digits or around the low teens, 10 degrees currently in Bowling Green. We do, though, have a winter weather advisory. And this was posted early this morning. It takes in the entire WBKO viewing area. So usually the questions come up at this time. Is my county colored in? The answer is yes. All of you are under the winter weather advisory. It starts tonight around 9 o'clock, runs through noon tomorrow, even down into Middle Tennessee. And all this means is a winter weather advisory is posted when the criteria is, well, more of a nuisance type of a snow, but it could be a high impact situation in that temperatures will be cold enough. We could see some icy travel, a dusting up to an inch. Some locations could get maybe 1.5 inches of brand new snow on top of what you already have. So just understand that late tonight and through at least noon tomorrow, there could be some hazardous travel here in southern Kentucky. In the meantime, the hazard is the cold. 0 right now at the Mesonet site up in Ohio County at the Hartford area, 4 in Greenville and Litchfield, 1 in Hardinsburg, 5 in Hodgenville. And where we still have a little bit more cloud cover out to the east and southeast, well, temperatures there are a little bit warmer in the mid to upper teens. A little bit of a north wind at 5 to 10. That makes it feel like it's -1. Make it 0 now for Bowling Green. Feels like it's 5 even over in Edmonton now as the colder air is starting to make its way further south as the skies begin to clear. Hometown forecast today, we head over to the Lake Cumberland area. Only about low to mid 20s for high temperatures for Columbia, Russell Springs, Jamestown, Albany, and Burkesville today. By the way, the Powerball jackpot for Saturday night estimated to be at a whopping $247 million. I can remember a time when we would show that figure and everybody go, wow, that's a big figure. But after that 600 million now, that seems small. Mega Millions now at an estimated $107 million at the next drawing. Looking down Scottsville Road this morning, we have a clear sky for a change. I think we'll see some morning sun, but it won't last long, unfortunately. 11 degrees now, feels like 2 with that north-northwest wind coming in at 5 miles per hour. Here is the view from Glasgow and our AAA Systems Weather Cam network. We've got the camera tilted over a little bit more past the courthouse, so we're seeing some of that's down Green Street, as you see there, South Green. 14 is the current temperature reading in Glasgow. 10 degrees in Franklin under a clear sky this morning in Simpson County. And as we head west to Russellville, you have now fallen to 8 degrees in Logan County. 10 at the airport at this hour, -6 up in Indianapolis, 0 in St. Louis at this hour. We're pacing 13 degrees colder than we were yesterday morning, and it feels like it as soon as you step outside. Cloud cover, as I mentioned, mostly in the southeastern corner of Kentucky, clear back to the west until you get back into Arkansas, Missouri. That is the leading cloud cover, or the leading edge of the cloud cover ahead of the next system. This is not actually a cold front. It's what we call an inverted trough. It's just a little ripple. Take a rubber band and stretch it out a little bit. That's kind of, in essence, what's happening in the atmosphere. And it will squeeze out enough energy to produce some light snow as it moves through tonight. High pressure is over us right now. That's why we will see some sunshine this morning, but the clouds will quickly roll back in by afternoon. And here comes our little trough with that little bit of snow that comes in for tonight. As I mentioned, a dusting up to 1 inch. We get a break Saturday night, and then early Sunday morning, some upper level energy to the north will swing through with yet another chance to see some snow showers on Sunday. Partly sunny today, flurries to the east. This morning, 27. Then for tonight, snow likely for everybody. Overnight tonight, low of 22. Tomorrow, we'll see snow showers in the morning and then mainly cloudy with a high of 33. Another little hit of snow on Sunday at 34. Monday, partly sunny, 28. And then we're going to watch what happens Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Again, it could be a mixed bag of precipitation.